Do you know you can schedule your TikTok videos for free? I'll show you how coming right up. Hey everyone, I'm Tiffany and I bring you creator tips and strategies for YouTube and TikTok right here on this channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to schedule your TikToks in advance. Let's head right on into my computer because right now that's the only place you can do it. We are starting on our TikTok.com profile. So I'm just assuming you are at the place where your profile is all signed in. Kind of weird, right? If you haven't been here before, you can see all your videos. Now don't get distracted by this Get App button down here because this is a prompt for your phone in case you're the one person on earth who doesn't have TikTok on your phone yet. You can scan this symbol to instantly get it if you don't know how to go to the App Store on your phone. On your phone, you cannot schedule your TikToks in advance, but you can do it on your computer. So let's walk through that process now. To schedule TikTok videos in advance, you head to this little icon here, upload video. So let's do that. Got a video right here. We'll call it Sked Video. Look at that. No one has that hashtag yet. You know what? Let's add Hammer and Home, my other account here. Why not? You can choose a cover. You can't see the cover moving the way you can on your phone, so that's kind of a bummer. And here it is, schedule video. What does the information card say? You're allowing it to be up on TikTok servers, no problem with that. This is totally different than the phone because as you might know, on the phone, you can only put something in your drafts folder and then you have to manually go in at the moment that you choose to publish it. On the desktop, we can schedule it. Yes, we are allowing that. Hey, are you getting value out of this video? If so, give it a like. Thanks. Okay, when can we schedule it here? We've got a whole calendar. Why not the 4th of July? Why is it not letting me do that? Well, that's interesting. We can only schedule it, apparently, in the next couple of weeks. All right, so we've scheduled it for June 14th. Honestly, that's not even 2 weeks. We can only schedule it for about the next 10 days. And we have 5-minute increments here, and we're on the old European time clock. Interesting. I guess that's 10 minutes after midnight, 9:30 a.m. Or we could do 16:30, which is 4:30 p.m. Schedule. Your video will be posted automatically on the scheduled date. You can manage all scheduled videos from your account. Let's view my profile and see where the scheduled video shows up. There it is. Sked Video. You can see the time that it is scheduled for. Want to know how you can increase your followers and rocket your TikTok? So you know what I would like to be able to do here? I would like to change the time that this is scheduled for. I just don't see a place, but I can delete it. Yes, I'm sure. Back to my profile. It is gone. Okay, so this brings me to the cons of desktop. Obviously, they're not making it a priority right now. Everyone loves using TikTok on their phone, and that's where all the options are. I also want to point out that if you upload a video here, and for me, since I edit my vertical videos on my desktop, oh, and by the way, I have a way to do that in iMovie for free. I made a video all about it if you want to check that out because it was a real lifesaver for me. I would love to be able to schedule my videos from my desktop instead of airdropping them from my computer to my phone and then uploading them from there. But while TikTok desktop stays so limited, I still plan to do that because when you upload a video here, you don't have the ability to do any of the cool little features that you have on the phone, like filters or stickers or doing any extra editing. The video you upload on your desktop has to be completely ready to go in terms of editing and anything else you want to do. That's a con. That's not really what this video is about. This video is just really to show you that you can indeed schedule a video on TikTok. You can do it on your desktop, but you have to lock in the time that you want when you do it, because if you want to change it, you're going to have to discard your video and start all over again. Now, there is a workaround for all these shortcomings. If you really wanted to use TikTok on your desktop and have it running just like it does on your phone with all those extra features, you have to use something called an emulator, but that involves a whole lot of steps in the initial setup. So that's something that I'm not going to do right now. I'm going to just stick with using TikTok on my phone. Subscribe for more creator tips like this, and I will see you in the next video.